I'm real killer deal. Oh, fuck it out.
Man, fuck that shit. Fuck that nigga and fuck his clique. He ain't talking about shit cause he's a bitch. And I'm trying to get dollar just like Richie Rich. And I got a dog dollar. All the girls holler. Flip the motherfucking Nova into Impala. Yes, I'm kicking up the gravel and I'm dressing. Don't give a fuck, you label me the straight assassin. Hitting motherfuckers in they shit. And if you got a problem, I'ma call Daz and all the other clique. We gon' come through this motherfucker harassing. TICC don't give a fuck cause I be dashing. Dashing is a murder. Shit getting occurred. You fucking with TICC, my boss is my word. I clutch him in my hand. And yes, I'm just a man. Call that white boy that be on American Bandstand. I don't know what his name, but it's case to case him. Tie up your shoes tight, so motherfuckers lace them. We ain't never chasing no hoes, cause hoes get disposed. They flush down the toilet like some boo-boo that was chose. Mouths get froze and jaws get dropped. I don't need no kickstand, nigga, but I can still get props. Nigga, you niggas about to take a loss. I keep my wrist like fucking Jack Frost. It's cold. You niggas is motherfucking old. Act like a table and chairs cause your ass gon' fold. Man, this shit is about to come to a finish. I'ma poof, dismiss your ass cause you getting diminished. Your ass done went to the land of the lost. About to kick your ass off like the punk that got lost.